Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Soumya Gill, and I'll be teaching today a computer subject topic using OpenOffice Writer of grade 3. And under today's topic, we will learn most of the features of OpenOffice Writer. As you all know, OpenOffice Writer is a text editing software where text can be edited, formatted, and modified to look beautiful. Why we have to do this? Because to grasp or attract the eyes of the reader. So whoever reads our document should get attracted to read more and more. What is this software is all about? This is developed by Apache. It's similar to your Microsoft Word or any other text editing software. Only the difference is Microsoft Word is developed by Microsoft company, whereas OpenOffice Writer is developed by Apache. Under this OpenOffice Writer, what else we can do? We can type a text using keyboard, we can select it using mouse, and we can give different styles and edit. We can modify our text. We can add pictures, and we can emphasize the document or look more finer. We can write our poems, stories, passages, or we can make posters, greetings, etc. And there are plenty of uses which we can take help of this OpenOffice Writer. So let us study about this in detail with the help of a PowerPoint presentation. Let's see. Okay, so here we have our topic, that is, it's from computer subject. It's using OpenOffice Writer. It's for grade 3. What are the learning objectives of this chapter? In today's class, at the end of this session, we will learn or we will be able to select the text using mouse to delete selected text. So we will be able to do this. Let's see first, what is the purpose of the lesson? Why we have to learn this in our grade 3 computers? Because we are learning editing and formatting a document in OpenOffice Writer. Till now we know the basics of this OpenOffice Writer, but in today's class, a next version of it we will learn. We can edit, format or write a document and use it in future to type letters, essays, poems and making posters, etc. As I mentioned, nowadays everything goes digitally. Nobody are sitting and writing using a book and a pen, or maybe a board and a white chalk, or maybe board and a marker. We have to save our document for future use. We can take a print of it. We can make any number of copies. For that, we have to go for a writer software, and this OpenOffice Writer is one of them. Introduction to OpenOffice Writer. We'll see a bit of this OpenOffice Writer. OpenOffice Writer is a word processing application just like your MS Word or Notepad or maybe any other. So it's a word processing software or application. It's the example of an application software. It is developed for a particular purpose, that is documentation. And it allows you to type a text and make it appear in different styles and colors. So you can do these all things with the help of the features in it. You can change the style, that is font style, size of the text and color of the text, and which is called as formatting. So today we learned a new word, that is formatting. I repeat the spelling, Formatting, formatting. Now what do you mean by formatting? You can note it down in your notebook. Formatting refers to changing the style, that is font style, size or color of the text. So which is referred as a formatting. Now, what is the symbol or logo of this or icon of this OpenOffice Writer? It's as shown here in the picture. A blue color one, it will be written as writer. This is OpenOffice Writer icon. Now we will learn about editing a document. Now what is this editing a document? Edit. It's a second new word for you in today's class. Please make a note of it. Edit or editing a document. E-D-I-T-I-N-G. Editing a document. So it's very simple. Whatever changes you made to the text in a document, it can be adding a text or maybe deleting a text or deleting a certain sentence or paragraph of the document, or you are replacing it and moving it to a new location. That everything is referred as editing a document. So please remember one thing. Before we before we delete a text or replace a text or maybe make a duplicate of a particular text or a paragraph, we need to select the text first. Now, question arises, ma'am, what do you mean by selecting the text? Yes, did you all get this question in your mind? Well, it's good then. So, that's nothing but we learn here the steps to select a text. You have your mouse here, and I hope everyone remembers your right hand. Those who are right-handers, you can place your right hand index finger onto the left mouse button and your middle finger onto the right mouse button. And you have to make use of your right hand index finger. You need to click from where you want to select, okay, the beginning of the sentence or beginning of the word, beginning of the paragraph, from where you want to select your text. So you have to keep pressing your left mouse button, that is with the help of index finger, and drag it, click and drag till where you want. And once you reach the final or end of the statement which you wanted to select, release your hand or release your left mouse button, and you get a kind of this blue highlight as in the screenshot here. That is nothing but the selected text. Do not worry, we will learn everything practically in today's class. So once you select, suppose you want to delete. You may ask, ma'am, we know to delete it. Just press the backspace key. Or there is another method, that is press the delete button or delete key from the keyboard. Yes, of course. But what if you want to select a particular paragraph or sentence or a word and the entire thing you want to delete it? For that, you have a method, that is, you have already learned how to use the delete and backspace key to delete one character at a time. But here, it's possible to delete the whole thing by one click. That is, you need to select it first. Okay, so one is using backspace key, one is using delete key, but here the difference is you will be able to delete the selected words or phrases or sentences. So what is the step? As I mentioned, please recall, select the text whichever you want to delete and then just press either delete key or a backspace key. Okay, let's learn it practically now. This is all about theory. We'll learn it practically now. Okay, first we'll open our OpenOffice Writer. Okay, I have 4.1.2 version. Okay, in this I have to open a text document, or I could go to writer only. I write a sentence. Hi everyone. Your computer teacher. Okay, I will make it. I'll increase the size so that it's visible to everyone. Okay. So let's see now how do I select. My cursor right now is blinking here. I want to select from the beginning of the sentence. Just click here and drag. Don't release your left mouse button. And now I selected the entire sentence. Now release. My hands are free now. So you can see a highlight there, blue color. That means it got selected. Now I want to delete a particular word. I want to delete this particular computer word. First of all, what we need to do? We need to select the word or the phrases. Right now I want to delete only this. Press the delete button. The text which you selected disappear. Now I want to delete this word teacher. Okay, I want to use a backspace. So just press backspace key. Use the help of backspace key also I could delete it. So I hope this class was interesting to you. You had learned how to select a text, how to delete a text, how to delete a selected text with the help of a backspace key and delete key in today's class. Please practice it at home if you have a computer system and OpenOffice Writer software installed in it. Till then, take care. Bye.